Hey guys, Robert here with another update for Lennar Prosperity Lakes active adult community in Parrish, Florida. New construction where it's 55 plus to own, but only 18 plus to be a resident. So you can have, your kids that are over the age of 18. And obviously you can have, kids come over and use the pool if they're, your grandkids or whatever. Not a problem, guys. Just wanted to give you an update. Right now, there's been some turbulence, in the market, and you got some different things going on. So right now, it's almost New Year's Eve, 2023. It's December 30th, and as of the first of the year, you're going to see some things happening. Now, over the last month, things have slowed down a little bit. People are unsure. The Fed meeting, interest rates were announced. They're going to start dropping. So that's going to increase demand, and that's going to increase pricing. So just keep that in mind, guys. So if you're looking to buy cash, it might not be a bad time to go in now because prices are going to start creeping up, especially with the snowbirds will be here. Prime season is January, February, March, when you have a lot of snowbirds here. Seasonal residents here looking for alternative resident people that are renting for the season they want to buy, right? So that's what happens. And a lot of these people have houses they're going to cash out of up north, and they're paying cash. So and maybe that's you. So that's what that's who these videos usually reach, right? So take advantage now of the pricing, and especially if you're financing, take advantage of the pricing now, because when prices go up, you're going to be able to increase your equitable position. You're going to have equity building, and then you're going to have, in 2 years when rates drop, then you can refinance, right? So when they're completely dropped down like 2 points or whatever it is, so then you'll have the low price, you'll have equity, then you'll have a low rate and a better payment. So that would be the strategy play. As far as I would advise. Licensed real estate agent for the last 8 years, guys. I own several rental properties, so I do this often. I play the market. I've done a lot of flips. I've sold, I think, 10 houses in here already in the last 3 months. I've sold my clients' houses for them with their 2-week contingency. So let me explain that. Is if you have a house to sell, I'll get you a 2-week contingency, and then to sell your house, and there's the only thing that you would, you put the deposit down, you secure the lot or the home site that you like, then we would have 2 weeks to sell your house and get it under contract, whether you hire me. I just did 2 of them in a row, one in Kissimmee, one in Wesley Chapel, and one went a little over the 2 weeks, but I got an extra 2-week extension, so then we were able to get it under contract in 2.5 weeks. The other one was 4 days in Kissimmee, got that under contract, satisfied that contingency as well. And if the house doesn't sell and you can't get your home sold, then you get your deposit back, and the only thing you lose is $250. So that's it, guys. Just lose $250 right now, guys. Just so you know, they were doing some stuff where they were, waiving the HOA for 2 years. That's in effect. They kind of took that away and played with it for a couple of weeks, but right now you're going to pay roughly $200 less, because when the clubhouse opens, what it is you're going to have the membership fee. That's like $180 a month. So it'll go up. You'll have the clubhouse membership fee. You're still paying the HOA right now, but it's $180 less per month. So you're going to be around $400 with your membership fee and all of your HOAs included, guys. So you're going to have that break for 2 years, but then right around $400, and then figure right around $200 a month for your CDD, guys. So I'm a new construction specialist in Parrish, Florida right now. From the models, prices are ranging from $365 all the way to $520, and that would be from your Splendor model, which would be the cheapest model, all the way up to the Daybreak model. So you can Check out my other videos. I've got a lot of the model tours on my channel, guys. If you haven't seen them already, give me a call, 941-879-4730. I can send you all the pricing. We can do virtual tours if you want to talk numbers, or if you want to make an appointment and meet me out at the community. I live like a mile away. That's my home office. Robert Lunt, new construction specialist. Just wanted to give you a market update, Prosperity Lakes update. And right now we're offering $15,000 to $16,000 in closing costs incentives. So yes, guys, give me a call, 941-879-4730, or visit robertlunt.com. Licensed real estate agent with Realty One Group Skyline. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Talk to you soon.